What is I have? I have means you own, possess, or experience something. It can be used for possession, things you own. Relations, family, friends. Diseases or feelings, I have a cold. Obligations, I have to. Basic usage patterns of I have. 1. I have plus noun. I have a car. 2. I have plus feeling or problem. I have a headache. 3. I have plus responsibility. I have homework. 4. I have plus to plus verb, means, I must. I have to go. 50 example sentences using, I have. Things you own. 1. I have a car. 2. I have a mobile phone. 3. I have a laptop. 4. I have a new dress. 5. I have some money. 6. I have 2 brothers. 7. I have a pet dog. 8. I have a watch. 9. I have 3 pens. 10. I have a new book. 11. I have a bicycle. 12. I have a smart TV. 13. I have many clothes. 14. I have a passport. 15. I have an umbrella. Health and feelings. 16. I have a headache. 17. I have a cold. 18. I have a fever. 19. I have a sore throat. 20. I have a stomachache. 21. I have energy today. 22. I have a lot of stress. 23. I have good health. 24. I have no pain now. 25. I have a fear of heights. 26. I have confidence. 27. I have hope. 28. I have a strong will. 29. I have some doubts. 30. I have peace of mind. Relationships and people. 31. I have a sister. 32. I have good friends. 33. I have a kind teacher. 34. I have a nice boss. 35. I have friendly neighbors. 36. I have a caring mother. 37. I have an elder brother. 38. I have a supportive family. 39. I have many cousins. 40. I have a great team. Responsibilities and time. 41. I have homework to do. 42. I have a job interview. 43. I have a meeting today. 44. I have to study now. 45. I have to go to work. 46. I have to clean my room. 47. I have to wake up early. 48. I have to cook dinner. 49. I have to finish this. 50. I have some free time.